Best air fryers. Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video we will look at 5 of the best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal preparation. With its 6-in-1 functionality, it offers multiple cooking modes: air frying, broiling, dehydrating, crisping, roasting, reheating, and baking. This makes it a practical choice for creating a variety of dishes, from crispy snacks to hearty meals, with ease. The 6-quart capacity is ideal for families or small gatherings, allowing users to cook larger portions in one go. Its air frying capabilities use even crisp technology to deliver crispy, golden textures with less oil, promoting healthier eating. The appliance heats up quickly and provides fast, even cooking, reducing overall preparation time. User-friendly features include customizable temperature and time settings, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced cooks. The appliance is equipped with a dishwasher-safe basket and tray, ensuring easy cleanup after use. The sleek black design complements modern kitchens, and its compact footprint saves countertop space. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus connects users to 100+ recipes through the accompanying app, offering inspiration for quick and easy meals. This adds value for those looking to expand their cooking repertoire without much hassle. From the trusted makers of Instant Pot, this air fryer is known for its durability and reliability. It is perfect for creating crispy fries, juicy roasts, baked goods, or reheated leftovers with minimal effort. In summary, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer is a multifunctional appliance that combines convenience, performance, and healthy cooking. With its 6-in-1 versatility, ample capacity, easy-to-clean design, and access to recipe inspiration, it is an excellent addition to any kitchen. Number 2. The Cosori 9-in-1 Air Fryer is a compact yet spacious kitchen appliance designed for versatility and efficiency. With a 6-quart capacity, it is ideal for families or small gatherings, allowing you to prepare large portions of meals quickly. Its 9-in-1 functionality includes air frying, roasting, baking, drying, reheating, broiling, cooking frozen foods, proofing, and more, making it an all-in-one solution for diverse cooking needs. Equipped with fast turbo modes and precise temperature control ranging from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, this air fryer ensures even cooking results. It reduces oil usage by up to 95%, offering a healthier alternative to traditional frying without compromising on taste or texture. The appliance heats up quickly, shortening cooking times and delivering consistently crispy and evenly cooked dishes. The Cosori Air Fryer features an intuitive interface with customizable temperature and time settings, catering to a wide range of recipes. Its gray, modern design fits seamlessly into contemporary kitchens, and its compact size saves valuable countertop space. The non-stick basket is dishwasher safe, ensuring effortless cleanup after cooking. Designed for convenience, the appliance offers consistent performance for tasks like roasting meats, baking desserts, drying fruits, reheating leftovers, or proofing dough. The large capacity and variety of functions make it a versatile tool for everyday cooking or special occasions. In summary, the Cosori 9-in-1 Air Fryer combines efficiency, versatility, and user-friendly features in a compact design. Its ability to cook with less oil, precise temperature control, and easy cleanup make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether preparing healthy meals or indulgent treats, this air fryer delivers fast, reliable, and delicious results. Number 3. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer BOV860 BSS is a premium countertop appliance offering versatility and precision for a wide range of cooking tasks. Featuring a brushed stainless steel finish, this oven combines style with durability, fitting seamlessly into modern kitchens. This smart oven boasts multiple cooking functions, including air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, toasting, and reheating, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Its air fry mode uses advanced convection technology to deliver crispy, golden results with less oil, promoting healthier cooking. The oven features Element IQ technology, which utilizes smart algorithms to direct heat where it's needed most for optimal cooking results. With a temperature range of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and precise controls, it handles a variety of recipes with ease. The convection setting speeds up cooking times while ensuring even heat distribution, perfect for roasting meats, baking pastries, or crisping snacks. With a spacious interior, it accommodates up to 6 slices of toast or a 13-inch pizza, making it suitable for families or entertaining. The intuitive LCD display simplifies operation, while pre-programmed settings enhance convenience for commonly prepared dishes. Accessories like the air fry basket and baking pan add further value, enabling users to explore diverse cooking styles. Cleanup is hassle-free thanks to the non-stick interior and removable crumb tray. Its energy efficiency and multifunctionality make it a practical choice for reducing reliance on a traditional oven. In summary, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer BOV860 BSS combines precision, versatility, and a sleek design to elevate everyday cooking. Its advanced features, spacious capacity, and smart heat distribution make it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable and efficient countertop appliance. Number 4. The Ninja AF101 Air Fryer is a versatile and compact kitchen appliance offering a 4-in-1 functionality, including air frying, roasting, baking, and dehydrating. With a 4-quart capacity, it's perfect for small households or individuals looking to prepare quick and healthy meals. This air fryer uses advanced technology to cook with up to 75% less oil compared to traditional frying methods, making it an excellent choice for healthier eating. The appliance excels at frying frozen foods, crisping veggies, and cooking juicy meats with consistent results. It also features a broil function for a golden finish and a dehydrate mode to create homemade snacks like dried fruits or jerky. The Ninja AF101 has an intuitive control panel with customizable temperature and time settings, allowing precise cooking between 105 degrees Fahrenheit and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This wide temperature range ensures flexibility for various recipes, from delicate dehydration to high-heat roasting. Its quick preheating system reduces cooking time, making meal preparation faster and more convenient. Compact and space-saving, the appliance is designed to fit seamlessly into small kitchens. Its non-stick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup simple and hassle-free. The gray finish and sleek design add a modern touch to your countertop. Ideal for creating easy and healthy meals, the Ninja AF101 is perfect for preparing crispy fries, roasted vegetables, reheated leftovers, or juicy proteins. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, its user-friendly features and reliable performance make it a valuable kitchen tool. In summary, the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer is a compact, efficient, and versatile appliance. With its health-conscious design, easy operation, and multifunctionality, it's a great choice for those looking to simplify their cooking while enjoying delicious, oil-reduced meals. Number 5. The Ninja DZ071 Foodi 6-in-1 FlexBasket Air Fryer is a versatile and powerful appliance designed for families or anyone who enjoys cooking large meals with ease. Featuring a 7-quart capacity with a unique FlexBasket and basket divider, this air fryer allows you to cook 2 separate foods simultaneously, using different settings or temperatures, thanks to its smart finish feature. This makes it perfect for preparing full meals like proteins and vegetables at the same time without cross-contamination. The 6-in-1 functionality includes air frying, roasting, baking, reheating, and dehydrating, offering a wide variety of cooking options. The large 7-quart megazone gives you ample space for cooking bigger portions, making it ideal for families or meal prepping. The air fryer uses rapid air technology to cook food with up to 75% less oil than traditional frying, providing healthier meals without compromising on taste or texture. The intuitive controls allow you to set precise cooking times and temperatures, giving you flexibility for a range of recipes, from crispy fries to tender roasted meats. The basket divider allows you to cook different items in the same space, with separate zones for varied temperatures and cooking times. The Ninja DZ071 features dishwasher-safe baskets for easy cleanup, and its sleek black design ensures it fits well in modern kitchens. With its family-sized capacity, smart cooking features, and efficiency, it's perfect for preparing large meals or multiple dishes at once. In summary, the Ninja DZ071 Foodi FlexBasket Air Fryer offers exceptional versatility, large capacity, and efficient cooking options, making it an excellent choice for families or anyone who enjoys preparing quick, healthy, and delicious meals. Its unique divider feature and smart finish technology take meal prep to the next level.